Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert RAW to JPEG in RawTherapee. So let's go started. The first method is right here. If you have this photo and you are happy with it, I didn't edit it yet, but if I would do that, let's say for example pretty quickly, something just like that, tone equalizer, okay. Let's say it's okay now. Now what I need to do is right here you will see at the bottom here save current image, this floppy icon disk, or here at the top right corner you will also see, or you can also use shortcut as Ctrl S. So I will click here on this floppy disk just like that, and as you can see it will open up the window. So here I can adjust, basically I can change the name, select the folder, and then down here I have file format and quality, subsampling, and so on. And when I'm happy with it, just I click OK, and I will have that here now in downloads, as you can see. Let's say I will open with that one. So just like that, now I have JPEG format of this photo. Now, if I want to basically convert multiple images, so what I need to do here in the file browser, I select, let's say, all of them, just like that. Right click on them and then put to queue, just like that. And if you go here at the left side, you will see queue right here. And now is the same process as before. Here we will put where this picture are going, file format, adjust that, and then just here click on start processing, and these all images will be converted into the JPEG format, or however you have adjusted, you can also put it in PNG file. And that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.